Hey, I'm Fifth and thank you for being back or checking me out for the first time. Today I want to work on my first commission that I got from my sister. I have been able to really do a lot of work with the art clay because it's just been crazy. I've done a lot of stuff for uni, which was very exciting, but I just didn't really have time to work on the other stuff. So today I thought I want to get the commission done, which is gonna be a necklace pendant similar to the one I did in the last video, which I'm wearing right now. Let's go! Alright, so first I'm gonna write down all the words that I got from my sister, and also what I just have in mind, what I want it to look like. So the first one is that it is supposed to be quite flat, can be colorful. She's very open to how it looks like, so it's pretty much down to what I want it to look like, but I think it's good to know what she wants as well. I'm gonna try using this for the first time, so yeah, it's gonna be interesting, but I think it will work. So yeah, so flat, colorful. Yeah, I want it to feel smooth because I just want to have like these nice summer colors. All right, so I want to have this like similar to what I have on my necklace pendant. I want to have the star shape, but like with the round edges. And then I think I'm gonna go with 3 quite smallish gemstones, and then it's just gonna be very thin. And then I'll have the hole here, which I will get that ring in, and then be her silver necklace. I think it's gonna be something like these colors. I haven't had a look which gemstones I still got. I'll pop this up here so I can keep having a look at what I want things to look like, and then I'll start. Let's go. I prepared my workspace similar to what I normally do. I have my water here, I have this to roll out the clay, and then I just have some utensils that I use to work with the clay. Since I'm not making a ring, I don't need all the other stuff that I normally use. So while I work, I think I'm just gonna tell you what has been going on the past weeks, because it has been, well, there's been a lot going on because uni is about to finish, like my second year, and yeah, I've been working on my final film for the second year, and it's always a lot that you need to figure out, a lot of challenges, a lot of little problems, a lot of time spending around people, which sometimes is also very challenging for me because I need to recharge by myself, and if I have to be around people 24/7, it sometimes is a little bit challenging, but in a good way. Like, I really enjoy it, but still. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, I love it. I love it. Oh, okay, cool. And I'm also learning a lot about what I want to do in the future through making films, because I just learn what I like and what I don't like. And I had a realization yesterday after, you know, we finished the film, which was super helpful, because I was trying to figure out why I was not really feeling, I don't want to use the wrong words, because I enjoy the experience so much, and I'm having such a great time on set. We had an amazing crew. I've really had such a great experience, and I worked a lot for it and I worked hard, but it didn't feel rewarding at the end, and I was trying to figure out why that was the case. And I think I know why, because thinking about it, when you work on a film set, everyone has their role, which means everyone is taking decisions in their area. I was taking decisions for the production design. The producer was taking decisions for the budget. The director and DOP were taking decisions over the shots, you know. And I think doing that feels like a lot of people are painting on one canvas. And it is fun because a lot of things happen when you work together, but at the same time it also brings a lot of great challenges, because it is not 1000% you, it's not 1000% authentic, because there's so many people working on it, which is, you know, I'm not saying it's bad or I'm not enjoying it, but it's just something that I think makes me feel like, it's just not 1000% me, which makes sense, you know. But I think I always want to keep doing things that come 1000% from me, that are like truly exactly what I would do. Oh, this is cute. So yeah, I mean, all my thoughts just still, I mean, I just literally finished the film and there's still a lot going through my head, and also, you know, I need time to recharge, because it just has been a lot, because it always is a big stretch. But yeah, it also made me realize a lot of things, which is great, because I'm learning a lot from it. Yeah, okay, wait, I'm just gonna quickly explain what I'm doing here. I'm just right now testing some colors together. So I think I want 3 different sizes for the gemstones. Let's see what works the best together. This is step 1. So now I will let it sit here for a while and dry, and then I'll use these to sand it down. On to step 2. I'm gonna sand down the little pendant. And I just realized that it looks very fucking similar to the one that I made last time, like color-wise. So I guess I have a taste. So I just want to make it a little bit more smooth, so that's what I'm going to work on now. No. It is breaking. No. Okay, I'll come for rescue. Okay, now that I fixed my little problem, I'm gonna keep sanding it down a little bit, and then I want to go and fire it. Since this is thinner than the last one I made, I feel like it is a little bit more delicate, so you need to be a little bit more careful. I'm gonna make banana bread. Well, this is gonna be on the stove. I will prepare my dough, which I'm also very excited about. Okay, next step, I'll fire it and then I'll come back. So, see you soon. I'm back with the fired pendant. It's looking super cute, and I think it's gonna be really, really, really good. So, last step, I need to brush it. If you want to make a living off of like creating jewelry, you know, it takes so much time and love and dedication to make like a small piece. And then also you need like wrapping, and you need the box to send it, and you also need money to just like survive. So I'm just like, to have like a sustainable company, your prices can't be really low, because you know, it just takes so much time and effort to make like one little pendant. I just polished the pendant and it looks amazing. It's so smooth. It's definitely the best one I've ever made. So yeah, I'll give you a close-up. Okay, well, I'd say first commission successful. Check. I think I'm gonna call my sister now and show it to her, and hopefully she'll be happy about it. But I think it was definitely a step up from the last one, and that's all that matters. So thank you so much for watching, if you're still here. I hope you're having a good day. Or good night, and I will get my banana bread out of the oven now. Bye bye.